Ever wonder why your bank account never seems to grow no matter how hard you work? You're not alone. Many people feel stuck, working harder but never getting ahead. The truth? It's not just about how much you earn. Plenty of high earners are still broke. The real difference comes down to a few critical money mistakes that quietly drain your wealth. These mistakes are so common, most people don't even realize they're making them. But once you spot them, you can fix them. And finally start building real wealth. Today, we'll break down the 3 biggest money mistakes and show you exactly how to overcome them. Are you unknowingly sabotaging your financial future? It's a question worth pondering. Many of us fall into traps that slowly erode our wealth, often without even realizing it. These aren't always big, obvious mistakes, but rather subtle lifestyle choices that accumulate over time. The first mistake, living beyond your means. It's not just about flashy cars or designer clothes, it's the small, daily choices that truly make a difference. These seemingly insignificant expenditures can quickly snowball into a major drain on your finances. We're talking about the everyday habits that become ingrained in our routines. The extra takeout that you order even when you have food at home, the constant upgrades to the latest gadgets and devices, even when your current ones are perfectly functional, the subscriptions you forget about. Those monthly fees that quietly drain your account, often for services you barely use. These habits add up, creating lifestyle inflation, a silent wealth killer, where your spending rises every time your income does. You get a raise, and suddenly you need a bigger house or a fancier car. That's why so many people, even those earning 6 figures, find themselves in a precarious financial position, still live paycheck to paycheck. They're trapped in a cycle of earning and spending, with nothing left over to save or invest. Social media and society pressure us to keep up with the Joneses, constantly bombarding us with images of perfect lives. But chasing appearances leads to financial stress and a never-ending cycle of wanting more. The fix? Start with a budget. Not to restrict you and make you feel deprived, but to give you control over your money and your future. Track every dollar for a month. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. You'll be surprised and possibly shocked where your money actually goes. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point to allocate your income. 50% for needs, like rent, groceries, and transportation. 30% for wants, such as dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. 20% for savings and investments, securing your future. Pay yourself first by automating savings. Make it a non-negotiable part of your financial routine, right after payday, before you even have a chance to spend it. Cut back on things that don't truly matter to you. Identify those areas where you're spending money without getting real value in return. Ditch unused subscriptions that are just draining your bank account. Cook at home more often instead of relying on expensive takeout, and hold off on upgrades until they're absolutely necessary. Remember, every dollar you spend is a vote for the kind of future you want to create. Prioritize what truly matters most to you in the long run, and let your spending reflect your real values and goals. Creating a significant gap between what you earn and what you spend is the fundamental building block of wealth. Without it, you'll always feel stuck, no matter how high your income climbs. Start tracking, budgeting, and automating your finances today. Don't wait for the perfect time. This single habit, consistently applied, can completely transform your financial life and set you on the path to true financial freedom. Take control of your finances. Don't let your lifestyle control you. You have the power to shape your financial destiny. Mistake number 2, and this is a big one that holds many people back from achieving their financial goals. Thinking saving alone will make you wealthy. It's a common misconception, and it's easy to fall into this trap. Saving is essential for emergencies. It's the foundation of any sound financial plan. But after you've built a safety net, a cushion to protect you from unexpected expenses, letting money sit in a savings account is a losing game. It's like keeping water in a bucket with a hole. Why? Inflation, the silent wealth killer. Every year your money buys less. The cost of goods and services increases, eroding your purchasing power. Even if your balance goes up a little, the interest you earn in a typical savings account barely keeps pace with inflation, if at all. Over decades, this silent tax erodes your wealth. It's a slow and steady drain that can significantly impact your long-term financial security. The solution: invest. Put your money to work. Investing lets your money grow faster than inflation, outpacing the rising cost of living, building real wealth over time. It's about creating a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. For most people, low-cost index funds are the best place to start. They offer diversification and simplicity. Index funds spread your risk across hundreds of companies, providing instant diversification. And historically, they've delivered strong long-term returns. While past performance is no guarantee of future results, history provides valuable insights. Open a Roth IRA or similar account online. A tax-advantaged account can significantly boost your returns over time. It takes minutes. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. Automate contributions from your paycheck, making investing a seamless part of your financial routine, just like you do with savings. Set it and forget it and watch your investments grow. Use dollar-cost averaging, a strategy that helps you avoid the pitfalls of market timing. Invest a set amount regularly, no matter what the market's doing. This smooths out your returns and reduces risk. Don't try to time the market. It's a fool's errand. Just keep investing, rain or shine. Consistency is key to long-term success. Look for funds with very low expense ratios. Fees can eat into your returns over time. The real magic is in compounding, the eighth wonder of the world, as Einstein called it. Your returns earn returns, creating a snowball effect, snowballing your wealth over time. The longer you invest, the more powerful compounding becomes. Be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Ignore short-term market swings, they are a normal part of the investment cycle, and focus on the long game. Keep your eyes on your financial goals. Investing turns your money from a leaky bucket, constantly losing value, into a powerful engine for growth, fueling your financial future. Don't just save. Take the next step and invest wisely. Make your money work for you. Let it generate income and build wealth. Start investing today. Even small amounts can make a big difference over time. And let compounding do the heavy lifting. It's the most powerful force in investing. That's how you move from surviving to thriving, building a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. So, what's the third critical mistake that keeps people from achieving financial success? It's a big one, and it's something that affects almost everyone at some point in their lives. Are you ready to find out? It's neglecting your financial education, plain and simple. The truth is, most of us never learned about money in school. Think about it. How much time did your formal education dedicate to teaching you about budgeting, investing, or even understanding basic financial concepts? Probably not much, if anything at all, and because of that, we're often left to figure it out on our own, stumbling through the dark, making mistakes along the way. It's like being thrown into a complex game without ever being taught the rules. And that's precisely why so many people fall into debt, trapped by high interest rates and overwhelming balances. They simply don't have the knowledge to navigate the complex world of credit and borrowing. It's also why so many people make poor investment choices, buying high and selling low, driven by fear and greed rather than sound financial principles. They're essentially gambling with their future. And it's why so many people miss out on opportunities to grow their wealth, failing to recognize potential investments, or simply being too afraid to take calculated risks. On the other hand, the wealthy understand the importance of financial education and make learning about money a lifelong habit. They recognize that knowledge is power when it comes to building and preserving wealth. They actively seek out information. They read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts. They immerse themselves in financial content regularly, constantly expanding their understanding of the financial landscape. And the best part is, you don't need a finance degree to become financially literate. You just need a willingness to learn a little bit every day, to dedicate some time to expanding your financial knowledge. You can start with a few key books that cover the fundamentals of personal finance and investing. For example, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, and The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. You can also watch YouTube channels dedicated to personal finance and investing, and listen to podcasts that offer insights and advice on a wide range of financial topics. Look for resources that break down complex money topics in plain language, making them easy to understand and apply to your own life. And don't forget to read blogs and articles from reputable financial websites. This will help you stay informed about current events and deepen your understanding of various financial concepts. The key is to make financial learning a part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or exercising. Even just 15 minutes a day can add up over time and make a significant difference in your financial knowledge and confidence. Because the more you know about money, the better decisions you'll be able to make when it comes to your finances. And the harder it becomes for anyone to take advantage of you, whether it's a shady salesperson or a sophisticated scammer. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about investing in the stock market. It impacts every area of your life, from managing your household budget, to making informed purchasing decisions. It empowers you to negotiate a better salary, plan for a comfortable retirement, and achieve your long-term financial goals. So, think of financial education as the highest return investment you can make in yourself. Don't let a lack of knowledge hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. Pick just one resource, a book, a podcast, a YouTube channel, and start learning today. Be curious, ask questions, challenge assumptions, and commit to keep learning and growing your financial knowledge throughout your life. Because the journey to wealth starts, not with luck or inheritance, but with understanding the rules of the game and how to play it effectively. So, take that first step towards financial literacy today. You absolutely won't regret it. Your future, wealthier, and more secure self will thank you for it. So, to recap, living beyond your means, not investing, and neglecting your financial education are the 3 silent wealth killers. The good news? You have the power to change your financial future, starting right now. Start by tracking your spending, automating your savings and investments, and making learning about money a daily habit. You don't have to be perfect, just take one small step today. Over time, those small actions will add up to massive results. You have the blueprint. Now it's time to build your wealth. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share. What money mistake are you working to fix right now?